Hi everybody, today I want to talk about this Sea-Doo Supercharger and an uncommon failure. As you can see, the front bearing has collapsed. This is due to water ingestion from the supercharger intake side. You will see that we have done the supercharger maintenance on the required time, and this supercharger failed on 75 hours after that. Let's open her up and see what's going on the inside. Okay, we've got it open, and now we can see the damages on the supercharger impeller. As the top bearing broke, collapsed, it resulted in this failure. You can see it was used for some time. After the failure occurred, we found only these bearings and the rest is all mashed up. You can see here that the cage broke, and obviously subsequently the bearings started hitting each other. Look at this, how they started to grind down. The bottom bearing is still intact. Here you can still see some of the pieces of the metal in the bearing from the top bearing. But the bottom one is still fine. And just look at that. So this is pretty uncommon. RedRockat out for now.